First, we collect the waste plastic from markets, schools, and most places where you can find refuse dumps. After collecting it, we take it to our factory. We sort it. We need them clean and dry. We melt them. After melting them, we mix with sand, pigment, then put them inside a mold, what we call a mold. For now, we are using a basic method of producing them manually. Then we just let them dry and we can lay them immediately. Unlike the other conventional one, which you have to wait for 28 to 30 days for it to cure.